Hello everyone, let's go ahead and see how we can create an empty dictionary in Python. All we have to do first declare the variable name that we want to use for the dictionary. For example, my dict, set that equals to this dict and call to it dict parenthesis. Using this way you can create a empty dictionary, and further you can assign key values pairs to that. For example, a is 50, so we can print that, and before adding the element to that dictionary we can also print that empty dictionary, and here we got a empty dictionary, and secondly we got a key value pair. Alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.